Videotaping the whole night. Really?
What is this? Is this drugs?
I don't know.
Hi, baby. It's like we're at the doctor.
I did it and I need something to drink afterward.
What was that?
Yay, I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Yeah, me too.
Garth Brooks doing the New Year's shit.
Oh no. Look at Chris's fitness.
I know, he's digging it, whatever it is.
You love it.
What?
You love this show.
I just don't understand what's happening here. Who is this person and what are they doing?
He's a country priest. It kind of looks like he's a country priest.
I hate it. I fucking hate it.
Just pure happiness, youth. We're young. It's beautiful.
Well,
Beautiful
we're almost
thing.
30.
No,
so.
we're still young. We're still young.
You keep telling yourself that, kid.
No.
My back hurts. I feel old.
I feel old, but we're not as old as our
I had to
parents.
stretch.
Yes, you have. Yes, it does.
You can't make that a party, dude. Listen.
Oh, I can make it a party.
Alright, well, you ditch on my jerk-off parties, motherfucker. I'm jacking off, bitch. You can't ditch on that shit. That doesn't make any sense, dude. That doesn't make any sense.
Are you videotaping this
You know
on
what I'm
video?
talking about.
She has this on video.
You know what I'm talking about. How is that even relevant? How is that relevant to this?
Fucking America. I think I really ripped ass. I think it's like, stinky ass stomach. I don't know. This doesn't sound good to me.